If you want another way to clean out the bottom of these half laps and get a really nice uniform finish, and you don't want to do it all with a chisel, you can grab yourself a router and a bit that cuts a flat bottom and has a bearing on the top like this. And you can see when I cleared this all out with the slide miter saw, I left the blade just a little bit above the line. Then I went through with the chisel and I chiseled most of the stuff out, but you can see that it's still kind of rough, and I didn't go all the way down to the line. And now I can use the router to do the final pass and go all the way down to the line and get a nice uniform finish across the whole bottom of this cut. So now I can bring the router, plunge it down until I just hit that line, and then I'll lock it in place, and I can also come and set the stopper so that it won't go past that. And then I'll be able to plunge down, and that bearing will ride against the edge of the wood, and I can make that cut all the way along. And then to make sure it doesn't move while I'm cutting, I can put in these two stoppers right here, and I can butt the workpiece up against them, then come to the backside, and then I can put these two in here, push it forward and clamp it, and then things won't shift around on me while I'm cutting. And now we've got a nice, clean, uniform bottom across all four pieces. And then the next pieces can just slide right in.